Hi, I'm Malini, Department of Orthopedics, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Dr.M.G.R.Physio Education and Research Institute. Today, I'm going to discuss about handheld dynamometer and digital inclinometer. Now, this is handheld dynamometer. Dynamometer means nothing but it is going to measure how much of the force is exerted from a body or some human muscles. Here, handheld dynamometer is a device, that is a small device that is going to measure a force that is going to be exerted from a group of muscles. Here, handheld dynamometer is especially going to measure over the grip strength of our hands. Now, I am going to demonstrate how this handheld dynamometer should be used. So, initially you have to position the patient in a sitting position and his elbow should be rested. So, you have to take the muscle strength, that is grip strength on both the hands, and comparing both the hands only we have to determine the muscle strength, and we have to take 3 trials. Yes, now you have to ask the patient to squeeze that holder. While squeezing this holder, in the digital screen will show how much of the kgs or pounds the patient is having as their grip strength. Relax. So this is the second trial. Again we have to ask the patient to squeeze the holder. And here in digital screen it will show how many kgs the patient is having as their grip strength of their hand muscles. And now again we have to take the third trial of the same hand. Relax. And now again we have to test the same grip strength on the another side of the hand. Relax. Now this is a second trial of left hand. Relax. And now this is the third trial of the left hand. Relax. Now we have to make the consecutive sum of all these 3 trials on both the hands, and we need to conclude the grip strength of individual hand by using the consecutive 3 values of 3 trials. And now these handheld dynamometers are especially used in many conditions to check their grip strength, especially in radiculopathy, cervical radiculopathies, in tennis elbow cases, in golfer's elbow cases, and all the conditions in her upper limb we can use this handheld dynamometer. In our college we are using this handheld dynamometer in demonstrating practical classes for the UG students and for the PG students too, and our students are using this handheld dynamometer in their research works and they are publishing it too. Next we are going to see about the digital inclinometer. This is digital inclinometer. Inclinometer is something, a device that is going to measure some deviation in the angles or some slopes. Okay, now digital inclinometer. We can use this digital inclinometer to measure some angle deviations or curvature deformities in our spines, and also we can assess the pelvic hiking, dropping, tilting, all those things by using this inclinometer. We can use this inclinometer for various deformities of our spine. For example, kyphosis, scoliosis, lordosis, and even for pelvic dropping. For all those things we can use this inclinometer, and we can use this for the assessing purposes, and we can treat the patients, and we can take the same assessment after the treatment, and we can show the patient that how much as we have included the deformities in the curves. So this is very much useful in assessing the angle deviations in our spine. Now I am going to demonstrate that how we have to use this digital inclinometer. Now we have to place this digital inclinometer on the PSI is, and now we should ask the patient to bend downwards. Bend. Now we have to take this digital inclinometer towards the spinal curve till the cervical region. Here in the digital screen it will show if the spine is having any curvature deformities, that too mainly a lateral curve deformities. If it is having a lateral curve deformities, it will show in this position. Thank you. And in our college we are using this digital inclinometer in the practical classes for UG students and PG students, and our UG students and PG students are using this to treat the patients by assessing the conditions, and also they are using this inclinometer in their projects like UG projects and PG dissertations. Even the PhD scholars are also using this. Thank you.